Are you looking? As trampoline popularity continues to rise among families, so does the need for safer, more convenient access. Trampoline ladders provide an easy and secure way for children and adults to climb on and off without risking injury. In this guide, we review the best trampoline ladders on the market, evaluating each on build quality, step design, safety features, compatibility, and overall value, ensuring you find the right option for your trampoline setup.
List number: Skywalker Trampolines Wide Step Ladder. The Skywalker Trampolines Wide Step Ladder is a user-friendly, safety-conscious addition to any trampoline. Designed with extra wide, flat steps, this ladder makes climbing easier for younger children and adds stability for all ages. Its durable powder-coated steel frame resists rust and harsh weather, extending its outdoor lifespan. Installation is quick and straightforward, with a universal fit compatible with most trampolines 12 feet and up. The ladder's thoughtful design keeps it from tipping, thanks to its angled legs that sit firmly on the ground. Skywalker, a trusted name in the trampoline space, emphasizes child safety in every product, and this ladder is no exception. However, the 3-step version may be too short for some taller trampolines. Still, it's an excellent choice for families seeking a dependable, well-built ladder from a reputable brand.
List new HP Tower Trampoline Ladder with horizontal and wide steps. The HP Tower Trampoline Ladder with horizontal and wide steps strikes an impressive balance between safety, functionality, and affordability. Featuring 2 extra-wide horizontal steps, this ladder ensures stable footing and minimal slipping, even for smaller children. Built with heavy-duty, weather-resistant steel, the frame feels solid underfoot and holds up well in changing outdoor conditions. The steps are grooved for extra traction and angled slightly for ergonomic climbing. This model is compatible with most round and rectangular trampolines with a height of 30 to 35 inches. Users appreciate its quick, no-tools-needed assembly and the rubber-tipped legs that prevent sliding on hard surfaces. While it only offers 2 steps, the design is ideal for average-sized trampolines. For parents concerned about safety and ease of access, this HP Tower ladder is a practical, value-packed option. List read: HP Tower Trampoline Ladder, 3-step trampoline steps with horizontal wide steps. For taller trampolines or users seeking extra height, the HP Tower 3-step trampoline ladder offers additional climbing support with its thoughtfully spaced, wide, horizontal steps. Each step is coated with a textured finish to reduce slipping, and the heavy-duty steel frame maintains stability under load. Like its 2-step sibling, this model boasts weather resistance and rubberized feet for secure ground contact. It's compatible with a variety of trampoline brands and sizes, especially those ranging from 33 to 38 inches high. The universal hook design ensures a snug fit on most frames without the need for bolts or modifications. Parents love the extra height and the wider platform, which makes it easier for multiple age groups to climb safely. The 3-step version adds versatility without compromising on HP Tower's signature durability. List number: GuardNature Trampoline Ladder, 3 steps with horizontal wide steps. Universal hook. The GuardNature 3-step trampoline ladder offers a universal fit with a focus on simplicity and ruggedness. Its wide, horizontal steps ensure safer climbing by offering a larger foot surface, especially helpful for kids with less coordination. Constructed with high-grade galvanized steel, this ladder resists rust and holds up well in outdoor environments. The universal hook system is a standout, allowing the ladder to attach securely to a wide range of trampolines without additional tools. Installation is intuitive and quick. The 3 steps provide ample height for trampolines that are 35 inches or taller. While not packed with fancy extras, the GuardNature ladder stands out for its straightforward functionality, stability, and durable materials, all at a competitive price point. It's a no-nonsense ladder, built to last through years of use.
List number 5. Springfree Trampoline
Flexor Step accessory for safety lock. The Springfree Trampoline Flexor Step is a premium accessory tailored specifically for spring-free trampolines. Unlike universal ladders, this step system integrates seamlessly with spring-free models, providing an ergonomic and secure climb. The Flexor Step includes a built-in lock mechanism that allows you to restrict access when needed, a valuable feature for families with younger children or when the trampoline is not supervised. The steps are made of soft but firm composite material, making them more forgiving under bare feet compared to hard metal. While it's not compatible with non-spring-free trampolines, it's a must-have for existing spring-free users. The design blends safety, smart features, and durability, though it comes at a premium price. If you're already invested in the spring-free ecosystem, the Flexor Step is a thoughtful, well-integrated upgrade.